Hi everyone, my name is Melanie Cruz and today I'll be making pasta using the microwave. So right here I have the ingredients required to make this recipe along with a few optional ingredients and tools such as this container with water. So let's get started. The green mixture that you see here is actually a blend of onions and green and red peppers that I had prepped. Otherwise, you would blend 1/8 of each of these ingredients and add them to the ground turkey. Here I have an optional seasoning ingredient, which is essentially cilantro and garlic. Next, I added some oregano and a bit more garlic here. After that, add some black pepper and finish off your seasoning with salt. Once seasoned to your liking, add about 1/4 cup of water to prevent the ground turkey from drying out. You're then going to microwave the ground turkey for 5 minutes. After taking it out of the microwave, you're going to mash it up and add tomato sauce. This is then going back into the microwave for 3 minutes. We're going to set this off to the side and get started on the pasta. About 1/4 pack of pasta, which is about 113.5 grams, is going to be submerged in water containing salt to your liking and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to prevent sticking. After being fully submerged, this will go into the microwave for 10 minutes. Ensure that your pasta is at a texture you like, since some microwaves cook at different times, and drain the water out when completed. Finally, mix the pasta with the ground turkey. An additional final step is to add any preferred toppings or ingredient additions, which in my case was some more warm sauce, and a little bit of mozzarella cheese and a pinch of cilantro. Now your meal is ready to eat. I wasn't expecting microwave pasta to taste this good, but it's actually surprisingly tasty. Throughout this course, I learned a lot in regards to the chemistry in cooking, such as how the microwave specifically uses electromagnetic waves and its limits. When I was younger, I got sick and the only thing my stomach would handle was pasta, which was kind of odd. Pasta has always been my favorite food of all time, and it always reminds me of my mom, who in my opinion makes it best. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all like this recipe.